Hello everyone, this is Fofolicious here, and today I'm not cooking, yes, but I'm making yummy, healthy, easy bites, burger and sandwiches. Let me show you my ingredients for today: avocado, carrot, cabbage, purple cabbage, spring onions, cucumber, lettuce, onions, cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, boiled eggs, seasoning, garlic, chicken nuggets, sausages, vegetable oil, baked beans, sardine, butter, beef patty, sliced bread, burger, buns, and potato chips. Now, to make it so easy, I have prepped all the ingredients I'm using today. I've boiled my eggs, fried the sausages, the chicken nuggets, the beef patty, caramelized my onions, and fried my potato chips. Burger is so not complete without chips, right? Yeah. I've mashed the sardine with butter, and it's time to assemble. I'm starting with the sardine sandwiches. Then the egg and the mayonnaise sandwiches next. Next is my avocado and sausage sandwiches. I'm putting in all the veggies now. And now I'll now make the cheddar cheese mayonnaise sandwiches. I'm filling it all with healthy and colorful veggies. The sandwiches are done. It's time for my delicious burger. I slice my burger buns. I make one chicken nugget and the other beef patty. I add in all the tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, caramelized onions. It's so yummy. I can't wait to take a bite. Now my burger is ready and I'm serving it with potato chips, yes, more chicken nuggets, yes, baked beans, yes, and salad. So healthy, delicious, and simple. Please recreate all this for your yummy bites. Thank you.